Hello and welcome to Train Tech, and I hope everyone's doing well today. I haven't got much done on for railways this week, but one thing I've been looking at is signals, and I realised I got to Train Tech signal I haven't actually done a review of. So let's do the title and then I'll show you the signal and then we can install it. So this is the Train Tech GS1 and it's a tiny little ground signal. What we're going to do today is install it. How to set it up. I'll set it up first and then we can install it. So let's go down to let's see what's in the pack. I've zoomed in on the pack because handling stuff can cause damage. So what you get in here is some thick wire. You then get the control unit and then you get the little housings for it. I'll now take it out and put it on the floor. So this unit, you got the standard programming button, then you've got power which coming down the button there. Then you have two contacts for either the memory buttons, is that what I call them? I need to check the instruction manual, as there's a very good instruction manual. For mimic switch and track sensors. Then you have the light at the top. And this can be installed in two different positions, depending on how low down you want it. It comes with some amazing instructions, so let's wander across to the railway and install it. The tools you need for this is where does it say? It's a 10mm hole. So you drill that and then you put this through. So let's wander across to the layout and we can get that done. I have now attached these lights with a supplied wire going onto my DCC bus. And these have two different modes. So you've got the red mode and then you have the white mode. So to change from mode, you press a button and then you just program it. So that's now red and white, and the other one is white and red. Let me get the other one into view as well. So you can see the bottom one is red and white and the top one is white and red. So the red white one is a modern mode. And the other one is an old-fashioned mode. So they're quite nice. The next job I need to do is to install them in the attic. I'm going to have them both on the red mode. So let me just hold the button. So you can see that that's in the red right mode and that one's in the red right mode. Can't leave the wrong way around on my controller. So press a button once. Press a button again. Red, go and stop. So double press a button. So easy to program. I have programmed the correct way for my e-course, and then I'll show you how to install them. Okay, my first thing to decide is where about I want the signals to go. And I have a few things to take into consideration. This point here is going to be replaced. I want one there, but I can't install that one there till this point has been replaced. I can put one there, but I don't think it will actually benefit me. So, as for shunting signals, I think I'm going to put one just here and one somewhere else. But to install it is really easy. Just drill your hole. So that's the first part of the job done. Then you just get the unit and install it. So I'll grab the unit and we can install it. As it's a Train Tech unit to install, it's really easy like normal. So have your unit. You then can choose how high you want your thing. You can either have it like that or like that. I want it to hide in the ground. So you place that one there. Place that on top. And then just shove it in the ground. Then just put your power in. And that's ready. So I'll put the second one next to it. And there's something underneath there which I just hit. Nothing I can feel, so you just put the second one down there and connect the power. So with this done, I'll take you down to my desk and show you what I have just had delivered. We're down on my desk now. And I've received my delivery from Squires this morning. So, what did I get? Start off with this. A pack of 50 individually wrapped scalpel blades. They're the number 2s for my handle. They're the type I like to use, and I'm starting to run low, so I now got 50. I then got brown wire, 7/0.2 mils. I then got to yellow wire, 7/0.2 mils. I then got to red wire, and I then got to green wire. Different wires are meaning different things on my layout. So I got black and blue, which is DCC, black and red, which is a new one, which is 3 volts, brown and purple, which is 12 volts DC. Brown is positive, and you can work out why that is. Red, green, yellow is for points. Red and green are for turning for points. Yellow is for return. What else is there? Brown and yellow is 16 volt alternating current. So different wires have different jobs. Grey is going to be used for car system. Then I got another colour for the car system powering. Then the next thing I bought are some tiny little brushes. So I got super fine and regular. The idea for this is for something I bought at Worley. You must probably seen it at over trade show, over big shows where squires are. It's this rusted, which is two different paints which you apply to create a rust effect. So what I'm planning to do next week is to choose a coach or a wagon and to paint it all rusty. So, as I said I would keep you updated when I get the deliveries done. I have done. This should be my last delivery for a long while. But if anybody wants to send me a Metcalf brick wall in double row, I would love that. Just need one more pack. So thank you for watching. There will be another live stream on Wednesday. I don't know what was up with my capture card, but I'll swap the devices around. I think it was some input error or something like that. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to my old subscribers. And I'll see you all on Wednesday for my next live stream. Thank you very much, Richard.